Hello there. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how we make our farmer sausage here at Faspa. Farmer sausage is the protein of choice for Mennonites around the world. I use a medium fat ground pork, salt, sugar, cracked pepper, and curing salt. We throw all that in a mixer and we mix it on high speed for about 3 minutes till it's become fully emulsified. This is a very important part when you're making sausage or any kind of forced meat. If your fat is fully emulsified, this will ensure an even cook and smoke throughout the process. This is a very easy entry-level sausage that you could try at home. And if you don't have a smoker, you can simply throw it in the fridge once it's done, let it cure overnight, and then cook it the next day. We use farmer sausage throughout the menu at Faspa. It goes on our sandwiches, our entrees, and is featured prominently on our pasta platters. So let's go make it.